Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a look based off of the shaders for the Crucible. So the Crucible in Destiny 2, well it's also in Destiny 1, is the PvP area that you go to play against other people. For the Crucible, it is a 4v4 situation. I'm super excited because I heard that there's going to be 6v6 and there's a possibility of an 8v8, which to me will be utter and total insanity. The shader that I picked for today is going to be called Crucible Glory, and it features red, a lot of red. So Crucible is a lot of red automatically, but it also has a lot of blue, whereas before it was just like a barely there color, if it even showed up at all. And then it has black and white. And doing white in a makeup look is actually rather difficult, and so I don't know if I'll be able to hit that much white and everything, but we'll see. All right, so let's go ahead and start thinking about what we're gonna do, because I have been racking my brain and I decided I'm just gonna go for it and we're just gonna do it and everything. As you can see, I already put my face makeup on and we're just waiting to apply some color to the lids, which is where the majority of this look is gonna go. I am praying we do not get a lot of fallout from these shadows. But first thing we're going to do is we're going to prep our eyelids, and I'm just using my contour kit because the eyeshadows I got that I'm using, they don't have a transition shade, and so you should always have a transition shade crease and everything. And we're just putting in a nice transition shade, and then like I said, I'm just grabbing it from my palette and I'm just putting it on the eyelid. And it looks like butt on that side, so I will probably keep this side. Okay, so here we go. Okay, really nervous about this because I'm using some very vibrant colors. Like I said, they use a lot of reds and blacks. I'm using the NYX Ultimate palette, and these are some very vibrant shades. So let's go ahead and get started. I think I want to start with a little bit of this orangish color so that the red can sit on top of it, and we're just going to put that like in the crease. It also gives me a chance to check out this orange color because I need it for a different look that I will be doing in the future. Ooh, okay. Not a whole lot of color payoff. It's more like a salmony color. Bloop, 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 bloop. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Bloop, 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 bloop. Bloop, bloop. All right. And then I'm just going to go ahead, use that same brush, and I'm going to hit up this red color, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to probably pack a lot on. This is where we're at, yeah. Okay, so the next color I'm going to go in with is off of this palette as well. And I'm going to go in with this blue color right here. It is not a super bright color, so I'm going to be building up the color. And I'm going with this brush right here. Ooh. Wow, this is a crazy look. Still working up the blue. I really want to be more vibrant. I wonder if I could spray this brush. Definitely got a lot going on over there. And this is where I'm at so far. So the next thing I'm going to be using is this Essence Metal Shock, and this is like a pewtery silver color. I'm substituting the white in the look with this particular color. It looks pretty neat. Where's my camera? There we go. So like hopefully we can get a neat look with this. So let's get a black eyeliner on. Okay, so I'm going to be trying out one of my sample ones that I get all the time from my Sephora Play boxes. And for mascara today, I'm going to be using the Tartist one from Tarte. It's a black mascara. We're just going to pop that on real quick. I don't know what I think about this mascara. I'm going to put another coat on and I'm going to pop some lashes on and I will be right back. Okay, so in the recent Sephora Play box, there was this very, 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 very small but very red lip stain color. And I'm just going to go ahead, slap that on real quick, and that's going to be it. Yeah. All right, and this is the finished makeup look that I came up with today to commemorate the Crucible in the shade of Crucible Glory from Destiny 2. Not gonna lie, not my favorite makeup look and everything. I think that it came out just a little bit, I don't know, just a little bit weird and everything. I'm not used to wearing blues or really vibrant colors. I do like this lip stain. I don't know. Let me know what you think. I honestly do not know which is going to be the next one that I do. I'm thinking about doing some of the ones from like Mercury, but to do that I would have to finish getting all the armor pieces. So I don't know which is going to be. I do have all the armor pieces for some of the other stuff. So we'll see which planet gets represented next. Personally, I have a love-hate relationship with the Crucible. There's times where I'm really good, and there's times where I'm really bad. It's one of those things, and you have to do, you don't have to, I mean, like, nobody's going to sit there and make you, but it's optimal for you to do it every single week, a few games, play against some other people, and have some fun with your clanmates, earn some Ingrams, boop, boop, hopefully kick some ass, yeah. I think that that's what I'm probably going to get ready to go do right now. Or take a shower or something. I don't know what we're doing, and I don't know what we're doing, but I do hope that it does involve playing some Destiny 2 like usual. It's what we do. Let me know what you think of this look and everything. I think it could be repurposed for like any kind of really patriotic time of year and everything. All products that I am wearing will be listed in the description box that is down below. If you haven't yet and you want to, please subscribe to my channel. I we'll be doing some more Destiny looks. I hope to get them all done some point this decade, because there is like 9 million and they keep releasing more. Cannot wait to see what the future holds for us. I am looking forward to using some of this shaders and stuff like that, and cannot wait to see what the guns are like, or the 6v6 in the Crucible, or anything like that. I'm just so excited right now. Oh yes, 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 yes. So now, bye.